Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Warzone Mobile on your laptop. The only way to achieve this is by using an Android emulator. This software creates a virtual Android device directly on your computer, allowing you to install and run mobile games like Warzone Mobile. It offers the advantage of a larger display and the precision of keyboard and mouse controls, enhancing your gameplay experience significantly. Let's dive into the setup process. First, you need to select a suitable Android emulator. Popular choices include BlueStacks and LD Player, both known for their gaming performance. Visit the official website of your chosen emulator and download the installer file. Before installation, quickly check that your laptop meets the minimum system requirements, such as sufficient RAM and processor speed, to ensure a smooth experience. Once downloaded, run the installer and follow the on-screen prompts. After installing your emulator, launch it and sign in with your Google account, just as you would on a new Android phone. Next, open the Google Play Store inside the emulator, search for Warzone Mobile, and proceed with the installation. Once the game is installed, go into your emulator's settings. Adjust graphics and performance options to match your laptop's capabilities, aiming for a balance between visual quality and smooth frame rates. To truly optimize your Warzone Mobile experience, fine-tune the in-game graphics settings. Experiment with different resolutions and quality presets to find what runs best on your laptop without sacrificing too much visual fidelity. A stable, high-speed internet connection is also crucial for minimizing lag and ensuring smooth online matches. Remember to check the description for a link to grab some Little Tree's black ice for your car, as well as other great deals. Enjoy your game.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.